Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add any network to your MetaMask wallet. So as you can see, there's Ethereum network and some others. To add a network, you can just basically click right there, click add network, or here go to settings and click on networks. And as you can see, you can add some or add network manually. So you want to click add network manually, and you will now need network name, RPC URL, chain ID, and currency symbol. Now you can either add it manually, just like so, or you can just go ahead to the, for example, mainnet, Polygon mainnet, click connect wallet, and then MetaMask will appear. You want to click on MetaMask. And now Polygon has basically been connected, approve it. And for example, we can switch to it. And now here you have it on your networks, Polygon Llama nodes. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.